So today we are here again in maths class, but in different topics, which is subtraction of fractions. Okay, so what we are going to do now is today is subtraction of fraction. So this is similar to the addition, the one that I taught you that day, but what you have to do now is the differentiation between the subtraction with the addition. You know, right? Subtraction is you have to minus, but addition you have to plus. So this one you have to minus, but the rest of the thing is similar. Okay, class? Okay, so for the first one, subtraction of fraction, there are 2 out of 3 parts of a break rule. I'm going to take one part. What is the remaining part of the break rule? So they have already give you the question here. So what you have to do? So I told you, right, this one is the numerator, the upper part is numerator and the down part is the denominator. If the denominator are the same, so don't touch anything, don't do anything. See here, the denominator is the same. Just subtract the numerator. If the denominator are same, no need to do anything. Just subtract the numerator, which is 2 minus 1. It will become 1 over 3. Understand? The 3 you will just write down exactly like how they wrote it here. Okay, understand? So that one is example 1. If you look at example 2, but if you know, right, what page is this? Page 93. Page 93. So we are looking at subtraction of fraction. We are done with example 1. Now we are in example 2. So what they tell here, subtract 3 over 8 from 7 over 8. So what you have to do? You have to subtract. Okay, subtract. So 7 over 8, subtract 3 over 8. So the denominator are same. So don't do anything, don't change anything. Just write down the denominator like exactly like this. So they give you the example here. The denominator, don't change anything, just write 8. But the numerator you have to minus. 7 minus 3, it will become 4. But what you can do, look at here. So 4 and 8, both are, I told you, right? If both are even numbers, you have to simplify. If both are odd numbers, you have to simplify. If both are like different numbers, like one is odd number, one is even number, you cannot simplify. But this one is both same, right? So you can simplify. So you have to find out in which timetable they having 4 and 8 together. So obviously timetable 4. So 1 times 4 is equals to 4. 2 times 4 is equals to 8. So if you simplify, you will get the answer 1 over 2. So understand, class? So the third one is, what is the difference between 4 over 7 and 6 over 7? So they've already give you the question here. So exactly the same. Look at here, the denominator are same, which is 7. So just write down 7 exactly like how they write it here. Then you have to minus 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. Can we simplify this? Cannot. Very good. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, now we will move on to example 4, which is 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4. Now look at here, the denominator is different here. So what we have to do? We have to make it same. So how to make it same here? I will write it like here. So follow me, okay? So I'll write it down here. So 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4, right? The question. So how they make it same? Look at the biggest number. So look at the biggest number here and look at the smallest number, which is 2. So we have to make the smallest number as big as this bigger number. We have to make it same to this number, which is 2 have to become 4. How? We have to minus, we have to times with times table 2. So 2 times what will become 4? 2. So if you times here 2, the upper part also have to times 2. Then 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2, 4. Minus this one, you just write it exactly like this. don't change anything because we didn't do anything to this part, right? So just exactly write same. Okay, 2 over 4 minus 1 over 4. Now you can do the question, which is the answer is 2 minus 1 is 1. Then 4, can we change anything? Cannot, just write exactly like how they wrote it here. So the answer is 1 over 4. So look at here, the answer is 1 over 4. Am I right? Okay, now example 5, same 1 over 4 minus 1 over 8, we have to make it same. I've already showed you here, I've already showed you in the addition of fractions. So I hope by right now you will know how to solve this. Okay, so again I'll show you how. 1 over 4, 1 over 8. So what we have to do, we have to make it same. So look at the smallest number, times. So 4 times what will become 8? 2, 2. So 1 times 2 is 2, 4 times 2 is 8, minus 1 over 8. So the answer is 2 minus 1 is 1, 8, 1 over 8. Is it same? Yes. Okay, now we'll move on to question number 6, which is 5 over 6 minus 1 over 3. So exactly same, like you have to make it both the denominators in same number. So I'll do it here. The space given, 5 over 6 minus 1 over 3. So what we have to do, look at the smallest number, write the times here. So 3 times what will become 6? 2, 2. So if you write, if you times down here 2, you have to times up here 2 also. Okay, don't forget that. This one, did we touch anything? No. Just write exactly the same. 5 over 6 minus, then 1 times 2 is 2, 3 times 2 is 6. So now you minus. 5 minus 2 is 3, then 6, we'll write down here. Now, can we see? We're having the same, right? So can we simplify? Yes. So, divide. So in what times table? We having 3 and 6 together. Times table 3. So 3. So what times 3 will get 1? What times 3 will get 3? Sorry, 1. Then what times 3 will get 6? 2. So the simplified version is 1 over 2. This is the answer. You can check here. Correct? Okay, this is just like kind of revision, okay, because I've already taught you everything in addition. The subtraction version is similar to the addition, just that you have to subtract everything, but the rest thing is very similar. Okay, just like how you will do it, how you did it for addition, you will do it exactly for subtraction, just that you will minus instead of plus. Okay, understand class? I don't want to explain you this because I've already taught you many times. And this one also same. Now we'll look at this. Now we'll look at this. They've already give you the first number minus, they didn't give you this number, and they've already give you the answer. So now we have to find the middle number. So how? It's very easy. As I told you, the denominator must not change, right? So if here 10, here also they added 10. That means here has to be 10. Okay, here has to be 10. So I will write here. So this one, and then so here have to be 10 also. Now you see. Now you see. 9 minus what will become 3? How many minus 9 will become 3? So 6. How you can do it? You can minus 9, 3. 9 minus 3 will become 6. So the answer is 6 over 10. Okay. Similar? Yes. So the answer is 6 over 10. Okay, this one is the same. So how you'll solve it? So 5, 5. So the denominator must be 5 2. But what minus 2 will become 2? So what you do, if the number is here, this side, on your right side, so you have to plus. So nombor ni 2 dengan 2 tambah jadi 4, so jawapannya 4. If look at here, if the number is on your left side, the middle they give you they didn't give you anything, they leave it blank, and they give you the answer. This one you have to minus. But if they didn't give you the number in front, but they give the answer with the middle number, they asking for this number, they have to plus. Okay, understand? So plus 4 over 5 is the answer. It's very easy. Okay, understand? So now what I want you to do is take out your maths 1 and solve this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions. You solve it now. We will discuss answer. This one, the title will be Subtraction of Fraction. Subtraction of fraction, which you can refer here. This one is the title. Write this as a title. Write today's date, day, and write solve this also and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in your maths 1. Understand? Okay, do it now. Okay guys, now we are done with the exercise in textbook. Now take out your activity book. Take your activity book, maths activity book, page 61, turn to page 61, and we are going to do the exercise in your activity book. Okay, subtraction of fraction, which is you already know today's topic. Do this subtraction. I want you to do page 61 with 62. Okay, it's very easy, which I've already explained in the textbook, but still I'm going to show you one example for each section as always. Okay, so first subtract. What you have to do, 6 over 7 minus 4 over 7. It's very easy. The denominator are same, so what we have to do, just write down exactly the same denominator, and the upper part, the denominator, you have to minus. So 6 minus 4 will become 2. So this is the answer. So you do it exactly like this. But if they give you the two section, that means you have to simplify. You know how to simplify, right? As I told you, I've already taught you in the addition. Okay, the addition, just that we have to subtract in this part. Okay, now part 2, fill in the blanks. So what we have to do, just do exactly how you did it in part 1. 4 over 5 minus 2 over 5. What you have to do, the denominator are same, so write exactly the same denominator and you minus the numerator. 4 minus 2 will become 2. So this is the answer. So this is how you'll do it. And this one, you have to fill in the blanks from this part here. So fill in the blanks and you'll write down the answer. Understand? Okay. Now this part, solve this. Subtract 2 over 7 from 5 over 7. You do the solution here. Okay? You'll do the solution here. 2 over 7 minus 5 over 7. Subtract means minus. Find the difference also refers to minus. Okay? So you do the solution here. I'm not gonna show you the answer. Okay? Then page 61. Solve this, fill in the box. So what you have to do, solve this, fill in the boxes. So what you have to do, as usual, solve it. You have to look at here, the denominator are not same, so you have to make it same as I taught you, and you do the answer. Okay, this part also same. Subtract the fractions and write the answers in the simplest form. That means what you have to do, you have to simplify at the end. So don't forget, simplify at the end. So you'll do the solution in this box. Okay? And yeah, that's it. So for today's activity, I've already give you in textbook, you have to do all the 6 questions that I gave you in math 1. And in activity book, page 61 and 62, you have to solve all the questions in these 2 pages. Okay? It is very easy. Please refer to the video if you are confused how to do it. Refer to the video. I guided in the video. Okay? I'll guide you through the video how to do step by step. Okay, girls. So I hope you can do it. So that's all for today. Thank you.